with his foot on the gas just days before.
I hope that the kid learns his lesson.
Later, through his front door, Hanukkah asked us to thank Fletcher for him.
I tell the God that thank you for it.
Some people might call this guy a very lucky guy that you came along.
Just the right place at the right time.
Timing that saved a life. In Edgewater, Richard Reeve, ABC 7 News.
You're watching here as fire crews in South Africa work to rescue a newborn from a storm drain. People living nearby say they heard the baby crying. It took 3 hours to break through the pipe and free her. She's going to be okay, and they gave her a name that translates to Our Ray of Light. Amazing work. Wow. Well, Thursday marks 1 year since the Parkland school shooting, and within the past hour, an art exhibit in honor of the victims opened up in D.C. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi helped unveil the Walls of Demand. The exhibit features a mural painted by the father of one of the Parkland victims. Check it out at the Mathers Studios near 9th and G Streets Northwest.
Switch gears now, talk about what's going on with the weather, and there's still a lot of people in the dark right now.
There's a lot of power outages, there's a lot of ice, there's just so much to talk about. The winds are going to kick up tomorrow. In fact, you folks that are living into the mountains of the west, say Grant County, there's a high wind warning tomorrow. You know, so there's just so much going on. Seattle, though, we were showing you the other day where it was snowing heavily. Well, now it's not, but you see the snow on the ground. Just a beautiful shot from our sister station there, Como. Wanted to bring it to you. Let me break down the next few days here around the D.C. metro. Tonight, we have the rain that will be ending probably midnight, maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. We'll keep temperatures upper 30s, low 40s. Tomorrow, breezy and seasonable. Wind gusts probably up to 30 miles per hour around D.C. and surrounding counties. But you get back to the west and areas to the northwest, we're talking about windy conditions, 40 to maybe gusts to 60 miles per hour in the mountains off to the west. We'll be talking, that'll be our story tomorrow for sure. And Thursday, a nice Valentine's Day, probably the pick day of the week, which is nice because I'm sure a lot of you are heading on out. Fog is going to be a little bit of an issue for you as well. I looked at the visibilities. There's nothing less than a mile right now, at least on our observation sites that we look at, but just know it's damp. The low clouds are out there. Temperatures in the 30s to about 40 degrees, a little warmer in Leonardtown at 43, but we're all starting to warm up enough that the freezing rain potential is going to slowly end over the next hour or two, even for you folks up in our northern communities. But the next 12 hours, you see the temperatures kind of hang in the 40s, drop to about 38 degrees at 7 o'clock. So our clouds and radar right now over the past couple of hours, you see the rain moving in off and on. It continues around the area. The nice thing about this is the pink would be where the radar is picking up the sleet or the mix of snow and rain. The blue would, of course, be snow. Notice now it's picking up all green from Montgomery County to Howard, back to Frederick County, Maryland as well. And as we use our futurecast with the temperatures, what you'll see is off and on showers. Here's 8 o'clock. Let me take you to, say, 10 or 11. And you'll also see that our temperatures are at or slightly up as we go into the evening hours as this moves across. So freezing rain should not be a big problem within another hour or two around the region. This kicks out of here by, say, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, entirely out of our region, and then out the door tomorrow. Shouldn't be any issues out there. Lots of sunshine during our day, and those temperatures going back up into the mid-40s, so it will be a little bit warmer than today. Only a 5-degree temperature spread today, by the way. Mid-30s to about 40 degrees or so. And then as we get into tomorrow night, we are dry as well. So let me show you what's happening. Overall, we're going to go a range of anywhere between 32 to 38. The rain ends, becomes breezy. Tomorrow, wind is our weather story, gusts to 30 miles per hour with a high temperature of 47. And then ahead in our extended, there's your Valentine's Day at 54. And then Saturday, Sunday, that's our next weather maker. Could see more snow around the area. Robert?
All right, Bill, thanks. Coming up, NBA refs, a message. Start calling travel because it's getting bad. Bradley Beal may have gotten over on the refs. Not us. How we feel about it. That's next in sports.
The future of car buying is here at Waldorf Toyota. Introducing Toyota Home Express. Buy your next car 100% online and we'll deliver it to you. The modern way to buy your next Toyota at waldorftoyota.com.
You think this is fun for me? You think I'm having fun?
Well, it certainly wasn't much fun defending your exit. Do you have eyes on the target?
Is it her?
I can't tell from these photos. I need better shots.
You waiting for someone?